Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Encore. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, power driver seat, driver vanity mirror, leather-wrapped steering wheel, panic alarm. Come see the car for yourself.